Hello students. Now I am going to teach you lesson number 6, clothes we wear. Clothes are the basic need of human beings. We wear different kinds of clothes. Our clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain and dust. In the olden days, people used to live in the caves and cover their body with animal skins, leaves and bark of trees. Gradually, human beings learned to grow cotton. Before humans learned to cut and stitch clothes, they simply wore unstitched clothes wrapped around the body. Slowly, they learned tailoring and started using textiles like wool, silk, and jute to stitch clothes. Today, cloth is made on big machines. Now, people wear a variety of clothes of different materials, colors, and designs. The type of clothes they wear depends upon the climate of a place, their economic status, their cultural and religious beliefs, and the latest fashion and trends. Nowadays, fabrics are made from synthetic material too. Textiles are woven, printed, and embroidered with different designs. Cotton, silk, nylon, and synthetic are commonly worn fabrics today. Ways of making clothes. A cloth is made from fibers. The two ways of making clothes from fibers are weaving and knitting. First, weaving. It is a process of making clothes from threads on special machines called looms. Looms are of two types, hand looms and power looms. Second is knitting. This is the process of making cloth. It can be done by hand or by using machines. Sweaters, gloves, socks, etc. are some clothes made by knitting. Traditional dresses for women. Women in different parts of our country wear different kinds of colorful clothes. In Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir, women wear long-headed chunni with firan salwar. It protects them from cold. In Rajasthan and Gujarat, women wear unstitched clothes, odhni with lehenga and choli. In Punjab, women wear salwar kameez with long unstitched piece of cloth as a dupatta. In Assam, women wear mekhla chadar and a blouse. Mekhla is a long flowing skirt up to the ankle. In some states like Manipur, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Tripura, and Nagaland, women drape an unstitched cloth around their waist with a top or shirt. In Tamil Nadu, women wear a half sari somewhat similar to lehenga choli. In all over India, the sari is the most common dress. However, it is worn in different ways. In fact, the way the sari is worn tells us the state the woman belongs to. See the picture. In first picture, that woman wear the dress that is from Jammu Kashmir. Second, Rajasthan. Third, Punjab. Fourth, Assam. And fifth, Tamil Nadu. Traditional dresses for men. Men in cities wear trouser and shirt. Some people wear shirt, trouser, coat and ties also. Men in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar wear kurta pajama, kurta dhoti and lungi with kurta. Men in Tamil Nadu wear lungi with a shirt. The traditional dresses of men also vary from one state to another. In Rajasthan, men wear the chudidar kurta, angarkha and turban. Men in Jammu and Kashmir wear chudidar pajama with firan in Punjab. Men wear lungi kurta and turban. In West Bengal, men wear kurta pajama or dhoti. Men in Kerala wear unstitched cloth called mundu. See the picture. The men from Tamil Nadu, Kerala, West Bengal, Punjab and Rajasthan. Fabric dyes. People like to wear colorful clothes. Dyeing is the coloring of fabrics. Fabrics means clothes. It can be done by using natural dyes or synthetic dyes which are obtained from plants and artificial colors. Dyes made from flowers and vegetables are called natural dyes. Different colors can be made by mixing various combinations of the three basic colors red, green, and blue. Some of the natural colors used for dyeing clothes are green color is made from mehendi leaves. Orange color is made from the harshingar flower. It is orange in color. Yellow color is made from turmeric. Purple color is made from blueberries. Black and grey color is made from blackberries. Block printing. Wooden blocks with different designs carved on them are dipped in fabric colors and pressed on the cloth to make patterns. Tie and dye. The fabric is tightly tied with thread, then it is dipped into different colors and dried. When the knot is opened after dyeing, beautiful patterns are formed. Rajasthan and Gujarat are famous for the tie and dye textiles. It is also known as bandhani. Batik. This involves using wax to make beautiful designs on the cloth before dyeing it. This kind of printing is popular in West Bengal. Kalamkari. It is an art of making designs on a cloth with the help of kalam. Kalam means pen. The word kalam means pen. It is famous in Bihar for its kalamkari work. Embroidery. It is a technique of stitching a design on the fabric using threads, mirrors, and shells. The embroidery work of Jammu and Kashmir and West Bengal are famous all over the world. Clothes are one of our basic needs. We look smart in clothes. It is a long process by which the fabric is made from the fiber. So, it is important to take care of our clothes. We should always wear clean clothes. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.